So we're in the sauna. Now what's the big surprise?
Check this out. Music in the sauna. I just set up iTunes, could play songs wirelessly to the speakers in the sauna. I control it remotely from my iPod Touch. How awesome is that?
Other than the fact that you're playing Journey. Not bad.
Don't worry about it. I can access our entire library. Hold on. Here we go, hold on a sec.
Oh God. Can you please put on something else? Put on Little Earthquakes. You know, Tori Amos.
This totally isn't working out like I had planned.